Good afternoon. Welcome to Epic Farms. So today, mag-update tayo sa mga Eviarc jackfruit na tinanim natin last month. So, meron na tayong dalawang batches. The first batch was planted July 2 and the second batch was planted July 28. So, a little update. Ito yung one of the first batches natin. As you can see, hindi pa masyadong lumabas yung mga new leaves, but if you can see the tip, I think it's coming out soon. So we have around 18 seedlings for the first batch, and this one also wala pa masyadong growth. This was planted with a basal fertilizer of mixture of urea and complete 14-14-14, and now we just apply dolomite and some minerals to help boost the growth of these seedlings. Yan. As you can see here, meron ng new set of leaves coming out. And here's another one. So wala pa masyadong growth. And let's go to some of our batch 2 seedlings. So this one's, if you notice, this one's a bit bigger, although natanim siya siguro less than a month ago. But this one, ang difference nito as compared to the first batch, this type of seedling is in arching type of grafting as compared to the first batch. Regular grafting lang ginawa ng supplier. So this one's a bit bigger. And here's another one. So this one's looking good. Healthy ng leaves. Okay. So let's go back and check the other seedlings. We also have a big durian native tree here. And if you notice, marami siyang bunga ngayon. But it's still very small. Siguro a couple of months to go before natin ma-harvest to. Okay, so let's proceed to the other seedlings. The next, eto, yeah, meron na siyang growth, but unfortunately some of the leaves were eaten by mga pests. So we need to apply some pesticide or insecticide to this seedlings. There's also some growth on the stem. So it's after the grafting, so it's okay. Okay lang yan. And this one, okay. So meron tayong isang casualty. So the first batch, this one didn't survive. So the stem dried out. I'm not sure if it's a grafting problem to, or it just so happened that it was planted below the coconut, so wala masyadong sunlight. So yeah, so isang casualty. Yeah, it's normal naman. But the rest of the seedlings, sa first batch nga pala, we planted 18 seedlings. So as you can see, we have one casualty, so 17 na lang sila. And then sa second batch, another 17 seedlings again. So in total 34 na sila. So this one, yeah, this one's growing. So it looks good. So medyo dito sa farm, medyo kulang ang sunlight kasi nga it's full of coconuts eh. So what we did is we just intercrop the jackfruit in between these coconut trees. So let's see, as long as we take care of it, pruning and fertilizer regularly, I'm sure it will still grow. So yes, this is batch 1. So now let's go to some of the batch 2 seedlings. So yeah, as you can see, this one's bigger, and also the leaves are very healthy now. You have some new sprouts. So this one looks good, although it was planted mga less than a month. Okay, and we have some new branches, so it's really good. Another batch 2 seedling, so it looks very healthy. Yeah, it looks very healthy compared to some of the batch 1 seedlings. So in the future, I'm still planning to add more seedlings na EVR dito. We still have some spaces na available, so we're going to avail yung mga in-arching seedlings para I've noticed it looks healthier than the regular grafted seedlings eh. So yeah, this is batch 2. As you can see, marami siyang sanga and the sprouts are coming out. So this one looks good. Okay, batch 2 din ito. Yeah, this one's damaged. So let's go back to some of the batch 1. We also have some mga healthy na mga batch 1 seedlings. So this is a sample. This is batch 1, but if you can see, marami na siyang sprouts. It has new leaves na. So after like a month and a half, it's doing very well. So yeah, apply tayo ng dolomite and minerals today to help boost ang kanilang growth. So another one of the batch 1 seedling. Yeah, see, we have some growth, new growth here. May mga branches din siya, so it looks good. And also we have, if you notice, marami tayong lanzones trees dito eh. And the reason why we planted some of the seedlings near this mga lanzones trees, these are native lanzones and mga hulo variety. So puputulin natin to kasi nga sobrang dami dito eh, and the price of parang native na lanzones is not very good. Like last year, marami kaming harvest dito, but sobrang baba ng price. Halos pinamigay na lang, and some were left on the trees para to rot na lang, maging fertilizer din sa plants. So we're gonna cut this down siguro probably mga in a month or 2 to give way to the new seedlings. Ito EVR namin. So this one's growing very well, part of batch 1, so stable na siya. And this one's also doing great. It's part of batch 1. So I think this is the biggest one we have na maganda na yung growth eh. Kita mo, tas new leaves na, and yung mga branches niya are coming out. So this is good news. And then let's visit some of the batch 2. Punta tayo dito. So as you can see, there's still some spots here na mainit, and for the next purchase natin ng seedlings, dyan natin ilalagay. Probably it can accommodate mga 5 more. And on the other side, probably another 5. So I'll update you once na nakaplant na tayo ng batch 3 seedlings natin. So by the way, today is August 21, 2025. So this is the first update dito sa farm, and hopefully we could give you some update mga every month or two to check on the progress ng ano natin, ng mga seedlings natin at how they will develop. So this is batch 2. So yeah, in general, batch 2 seedlings look very healthy as compared to batch 1. Kasi nga ano sila eh, in-arching sila eh. So mas maraming leaves nung pag-purchase natin. But hopefully na after a year sabay-sabay na silang ano, mag-grow and halos the same sizes na sila. So next week or probably this weekend, we plan to bring the grass cutter, kasi nga if you can see maraming ano eh, maraming grass eh, and we're gonna clean this up para malinis yung surrounding ng jackfruit natin. So this one looks very healthy. There's a lot of new leaves here. So I think that's the update for today, and let's catch up soon after a month or two.